A couple of days ago, I found a scumbag, so I decided to waste an hour of his time and to track down his IP address to scare him. Now that we got the intro out of the way, make sure you tap the like button, but let's see how everything unfolded. Hello, sir. Thanks for contacting. May I know your name and location? I'm John and I'm from Canada. Nice meeting you here. How can I help you? Okay, so I work as a hitman and I never got paid for one job, so I need help getting paid. Alright. Wait. What? This guy's gonna help a hitman? Well, I guess from his response, I think that's a yes. So I asked him if he would help me recover my Bitcoin, and he said, how much did I not get paid? 1 Bitcoin. Okay, what wallet do you use? I use a special dark web Bitcoin service. Okay, can I see a screenshot? Yeah, sure, why not? And I searched up dark web on Google and I sent him the first image that I got. So, how much do you have now inside your black market? $790,000. I used to traffic humans using my van, but once I stopped working, I became a hitman. And after I sent that picture, I was half expecting him to block me, but he somehow didn't and said, how do you want me to help you now? I will give you money if you hack into my client's wallet and steal their money. I don't understand. I want you to hack into his wallet. Do you have access? Yes, I can send that over. Okay, send me the access. And I searched up dark web account on Google and sent him the first image. What is this? Oh, it's his account. I'll send you a link too. Why do you want to hack the account? Did this guy not read that I supposedly didn't get paid? I guess he didn't, but I just said that if he hacks into his account, I'll give him $20,000. You will send the 20K so I can hack into your account? Well, not my account, his account, but like, yeah, you got the point. Do you have the $20,000 now so we can proceed? Like a minute ago, I literally said I had $790,000 in my account. So, yes, I have the $20,000. But before I went any further, I had to ask him where he was from to make sure that he wasn't a scammer. Oh, I'm from the United States. Next, I have information to hack him, and I gave him the IP grabbing link, which supposedly had everything he needed. Okay, I can hack it for you. Great, if he can hack it, then I'm pretty sure that he clicked on my IP grabbing link. But when I checked, he didn't click on it. So that means he didn't click on the link. So I asked him, how the F do you think you can hack him if you have no information on him? Here's the information. I've already seen it. No, you haven't. And for the next couple of minutes, I just started arguing to him. He just clicked on the damn link so I'd know where he's from. And after a very long time, Lagos, Nigeria. And if you're wondering where the link took him, well, that's his donkey. This link you sent me is a scam link to get all access to my profile on how to log into my accounts. This is how you people will try to scam a company. You're not a company, let's be real here. You are a scammer from Lagos, Nigeria. And I figured it out because I traced your IP address and I saw your location. You want to scam a company without knowing you're working with a great hacker. I'm trying to scam a company? Well, I think that's fine because the company literally just tried to work with a hitman. And I literally told him that and I said that no real company would work with a hitman. But surprisingly, after I said that no real company would work with a hitman, he said that he reported me to the police. I'm not sure if the Nigerian authorities will do a lot, but like, what are you gonna tell the police? Hi, I tried to scam a person and he said that he was allegedly a hitman. And I'm pretty sure that he's a hitman because he sent me 3 images straight off Google and he gave me a link to a donkey. I can pretty sure that if you gave it to the police, they'll laugh at you for being that dumb. You have been trafficking human beings. Okay, I actually think that he somehow believes that I'm a hitman, so I clarified a couple of things from him. Sir, I sent you a picture of a van with the words V-Bucks on the side of it. That is from Fortnite. I have been trolling you this entire time, and you can reverse search all of the images I have sent from you. They're all from Google. You are a scammer. I'm a scammer? Well, I actually think the real scammer here is you. You are a scammer from Lagos, Nigeria. And after I said that, he unfortunately blocked me. That's sad, but we still wasted an hour of this guy's time. So if you enjoyed, then tap the subscribe button up. But until next time, I'm Shui.